Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to look at our May BeautyFix box. This is presented by Dermstore. If you've not seen the BeautyFix box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. They will put anything and everything inside of this box. If it's carried on the Dermstore website, it technically is up for grabs for their subscription box. So I like it because Dermstore has a lot of high-end luxury brands. I'm not saying you always get luxury brands in this box, but you usually get some. So it's usually a pretty good deal just because of that. But we're gonna open up our May box today. It does feel pretty heavy, honestly. It feels like it's got some weight in there. So we're gonna see what's inside of it. And real quick before I show you guys in this box, I do want to mention that Ana Luisa does have an amazing sale going on right now on their jewelry online. I'm also going to post their link down below if you want to go check it out. This necklace, one of my all-time favorite necklaces, is on that sale. Additionally, one of my favorite rings is on there as well, this gorgeous snake. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check them out. If you guys purchase in the month of May, this is the exact box that you will receive. Everyone receives the exact same box every single month. There's no customization. They don't have any changes. So as long as you order in May, this is the box that you will be receiving. But if you are watching this video and it's June, you will receive the June box. So just keep in mind that whatever month you order in is the month that you will receive the box with. So here's our first look at our May box. Those are full-size products, you guys. Honestly, this looks pretty good. I'm excited. There's a lot in here, you guys. So I'm gonna post that link down below along with the discount code. Now, I know I mention this in every single video that I make, but I really do want you guys to get the best deal, which is why I bring it up. If you want to receive the most discounts, my advice is to purchase a 3-month subscription plan of this box or longer. You can do 3, 6, or 12 months. But by doing that, you will get the most discounts. So if you pay for this box on a month-to-month basis, they do charge a shipping fee. However, on the 3-month, 6, or 12-month plans, they waive that shipping fee and it's free. So already you're saving like $8 in shipping per box just by committing to a longer period. But on top of that, you can use my discount code to save money off of the entire purchase order. So it's 15% off of the total purchase amount. If you only buy one box, you'll only save a few dollars, but the more boxes you commit to, the larger that discount. So a 3-month plan costs me about $60 and it just renews every 3 months, and then I just go in and re-enter my code. But then you get these boxes for about $20 a piece with free shipping. So first item that I have in here is from One Love. This is their Botanical C Body Oil. It is a vitamin C oil, and it says it's a plant-based formula. It has vitamin C inside of this, obviously, but there's also papaya enzymes, and it's going to be nutrient-rich with green tea, papaya, and shea butters. This will help to moisturize your skin, but also give it a brightening effect. So this is a full-size product. It's 4 ounces. This is what it looks like here. It's a glass jar, cruelty-free, and it says it's dermatologist tested as well. All right. I like what I see. I like that it's a pump. These are so easy. I honestly prefer the pump over the droppers because a lot of times with like serums, they'll do those glass droppers. But to have this as a pump and then you get exactly what you need, I feel like it's just easier and it's less mess, at least for me. Maybe I'm just messy when I do my skincare routine. Holy bananas. God, they did it again. So I just looked it up on my iPad, you guys. $58 for this product. I mean, Dermstore never ceases to amaze me in this box. Like every month we will get a product and I'm like, oh yeah, this is nice. And then I look it up and I'm like, oh my gosh, it just paid for my entire box. So if you want a $58 product this month, make sure you order in the month of May and then you'll definitely get one. The next item that I have in here is from MD Solar Sciences. This is a sunscreen, but it's a mineral sunscreen. The scream? Did I just say scream? It's a mineral sunscreen. Ah, run for your lives. Anyways, SPF 50 on this sunscreen. It is a weightless cream that has pomegranate, cranberry, vitamin C, and green tea in it. So this is what your packaging will look like. And this sunscreen says not only is it sheer, it's weightless, it's silky smooth, and it will not turn your skin white when you are using this. I always hate that. I know it's working, but I do hate when it turns my skin white. Now, I've not tried this sunscreen before, but I like what I see on here. So it is cruelty-free, it's vegan, and it's also reef safe, which for me is a requirement now with all of my sunscreens. So I do like that as well, that they've guaranteed it to be reef safe. But this one, what's kind of nice about it is that it doesn't have a fragrance in here other than the fact that it will smell like sunscreen, but it's supposed to be safe for all skin types. So it says if you have acne or if you have sensitive skin or even if you have rosacea at all, this is not supposed to inflame or create more acne or anything like that because it is a plant-based sunscreen. So I like what I see with this product. Now I just really want to try it. So it says it's hypoallergenic, it won't clog your pores, it's oil-free, which is so important. Especially if you have acne, look for oil-free sunscreens. They are a lifesaver. Paraben-free, fragrance-free as well. So all in all, this sounds really good. I'm really excited for this. And now that it's summertime, definitely going to be using this. All right, let's see what this costs. This one comes in at $32 for this box. Now, it does look like they carry different sizes for this product as well, but this one is 1.7 ounces, and it says that it's $32 if you were gonna buy this size. So again, if you guys are buying this box on a 3-month plan, you will be receiving it for $20, and again, this one product will pay for it. Next item in the box is from First Aid Beauty. This is the famous Bump Eraser Scrub. This one that we have is just a travel size, but if you've never tried it before, this is quite a bit of product in here for you to use. 1 ounce, 30 mil. This is super popular, and I've seen with a lot of dermatologists when they recommend different body scrubs, this is one of them that always makes the list. But this will help to get rid of any sort of bumps or texture that you might have on your skin. I feel like it's very affordable compared to a lot of the other ones that are out there, but this is great for an all over body scrub. So if you get any of those little bumps on the backs of your arms or anything like that, this will help to break down that texture. Next up, we have a product from Verso. This is their clarifying gel. It has retinol inside of this. 30 mil, 1 ounce on this one. So I believe this is travel size, but maybe not. I would need to look this up. I'm not 100% sure. To be honest with you, usually this brand only sends travel size products, and that's why I'm like, wow, this seems like there's more in here than what I'm expecting. So it says that this is a clarifying gel. There is retinol inside of this one. You want to be careful though. If you have a sunburn, don't use this product. It will irritate it and act it up even worse. So don't do this if you have a sunburn, but otherwise great brand. Help to clean your skin. We also have from Vici Laboratories. This is their hyaluronic acid serum. This will have 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid, so it will visibly lift your skin. It's also going to help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and give you that hydration back. 10 mil of product, so this one is just a travel size. But again, this is a pretty large amount for this brand. This brand typically is a little stingy with their products. They send a lot of samples. This is pretty large for them. So I kind of like that it's a large amount of product for us to really try out. I wish they were all like this, honestly, just to give us enough product to know whether or not we really like it. But this is what it will look like here, and it's just going to have a dropper. Like I said, it's 10 mil. It will have, there's no fragrance in this, there's no alcohol, silicone free, but there's only 13 ingredients inside of this. And it's dermatologist tested as well, so it's safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. But there's glycerin, there is the hyaluronic acid in here, castor oils, seed oils. Honestly, the ingredient list looks really good. And I do like the fact that there's not a ton of ingredients in it. Honestly, this is going so well, you guys. Like, this box is really, really good. I mean, for real, this is a great box this month. So our last item, I think it's our last item. Let me double check. Yes, looks like this is our last item, is from SkinCeuticals, and it is their CE ferulic? Is that how you pronounce that? It's an antioxidant daytime treatment that will help to take down wrinkles then. But SkinCeuticals is an expensive brand. This is the only way that I'm ever able to try their products out, is because they will send samples. But this will list off some of the ingredients that are in here, and it's visibly going to take down any wrinkles or fine lines that you might have. Their products do work. I've tried a few of their samples and I do notice a difference. But like I said, they're like $150 a bottle, so I just don't ever rebuy. But I do like this brand a lot. So this one's exciting that we get this little serum in here. It's a glass bottle with a dropper. I always use this as a spot treatment instead of all over. I will just use it in target areas, and then it will really help to tighten up that area. So that is everything inside of our BeautyFix box for May. This is a really good box, you guys. 6 items inside of this, and 2 of which are full size. And then honestly, I feel like these 3 are all travel sizes. They're not even your tiny little samples. The SkinCeuticals is definitely a sample size, but this is a really good amount of product that we have here. And to get the 2 full-size products, like, it more than paid for this box, you guys. Like, I am making money on this box at this point. This one is really good. If you want a summer box with sunscreen in it, you want to take down any fine lines or wrinkles, highly recommend this box, you guys. I would look into getting it. If you've not tried this box out, or if you've tried it in the past and you've paused, I would look at reactivating or signing up for this one, because this is a really good month. But again, I got you covered with that link down below, and I've got that discount code as well, so you guys can save some money. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye!